Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Right up here, the solar stake lights, they still have Easter up front, so I just kind of walked by it. These were the ones I saw walking out, solar hook lantern. But I don't think I've seen these. I had to look because they look like they might be $3. And I was like, wait a minute, okay. So the flame glow. I actually need new ones for the side of the house. Aren't they so pretty? That is pretty. So that's rocking. Yeah, I haven't seen those. So I'm actually, oh, this is pretty. That's different. What is it? Is it a barrette? It's a clip. It's a hair clip. So I'm actually in the market now for, because I want to pull my hair back, some new clips. So yeah, that's pretty. That butterfly. In the cart. Oh, here's the pink and the blue one right here. I'm gonna grab this one too. In the cart. Oh, these are pretty too. Oh my goodness. I want the clip back here to be a little bit bigger. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna pass on that, but that is pretty. This one is cute too with a little bling in there. I'm gonna grab this one in the cart. Before I even pick this up, I was saying this looks like a big soapbox. Classic Clean Sea Breeze Toning and Clarifying Moisture Bar. This thing is huge. 50 plus washes. Look, let me grab a Yardley. Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. So yes, on the Sea Breeze. I haven't seen that one. Yes, we are good to go. I'm feeling like as I'm scanning, taking a quick peek. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Miss Girl, no we not. I have not seen this one with the big old cookie. That is so darn cute. Cookie Monster. Oh, the Kraft macaroni and cheese rocking back there. Okay. Oh, get out of here. Pacific Nights is rocking. I haven't seen that. Here's the Paradise Breeze right next to it and the Amber Rouge. No. I haven't seen these. I need to see what they rock like. Hold on. All right, I sprayed them both, right? This one, the Amber Rouge, fire. Actually, they're both fire. I'm just feeling this one a little bit more. So, Pacific Nights and Amber Rouge. Oh, I see the Brazilian Mist up top. All right. Yes on that. I'm going to grab another one of these. We're getting ready, right? Starting to pack it up. And I realized I need one more of these just for vitamins and things. So yes on that. In the cart. Nothing new. I'm scanning. I don't see anything new rocking over here in the makeup. Miss Girl, I'm lying. Hold on. This is by Be Pure Plumping Glossy Lip Balm. This is watermelon right here. Formulated with strawberry and grapeseed oil. Oh, get out of here. Yeah, so that's rocking. Here's plum and magenta. I don't know if it's a fourth one, but these are the only three I see. I was just checking. Yeah, okay, I'm good. I don't plump, so I'm plump enough, yes. Look at these fabric eyeglass pouches. This one, the green one right here, and this blue one is rocking. They're $125. I was in Whole Foods and I saw that. I got all happy, like I saw it at Dollar Tree. Oh, these are back, the taco stand. Ketchup and mustard. That's what it remind me of. So the red and the yellow. All right, Miss Girl, I'm done. That was quick and fast. So I'm gonna just grab the butterflies, this right here. Oh, I threw some chicken noodle soup in. The pill organizer. Oh, I just grabbed these. They didn't have the actual sanitizers, just a holder. So, yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, this is cute. I'm at checkout waiting. The heart, right, and a teddy bear. That's super cute. I haven't seen that one or this one. Yeah, so they're rocking. Or this one. Oh, wow. I like this one. That's my fave. All right, bye. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Oh, nice. I did say that if I saw them again, I was going to pick up the flamingo. So which one is missing? I have the pineapple, the lime, right? I picked that one up. That's not here now. So yes, on the flamingo in the cart. This is sparkly. The pineapple. Oh yeah, it's just a nice table. Let me see. Miss Girl. But yeah, you can spray it though. It's a balloon weight. So yes on that. Oh yeah. Stick that right on in. Yeah, at first I thought it was just a cord, which you can absolutely use it for, Yes, on that. It's a bunch of them. Oh, the bowls are back. The watermelon. Oh, this strawberry, I feel like, is new. I don't remember that. That is cute. In the cart. I really like this because I eat strawberries, whipped cream, right, for like a quick snack. Yes, on that. The pineapple is rocking. I remember the watermelon plates, I feel like. I don't remember the strawberry, though. Like, is all this strawberry stuff new? I think. And then here's a pineapple plate. I'm not even sure anymore, but they are fire. I am really feeling the strawberry bowl. Yes. All the straws and things are back. Look at the flamingo, the stir. That's cute. What's up here? Oh, just like the flowers. All right, pineapples, flamingos, and things, the forks and all of that with the glitter. Yes, on the shot glasses. What are these? I just spun the cart around real quick so I can go the other way, and I saw these. Oh, drink cozies. Miss Girl, that is funny. Yeah, because all the Cinco de Mayo is rocking over here. Here are those bags we saw. The Bridgerton bags, right? That's what I'm calling them. Here are all the oldie but goodies rocking. Oh my goodness, wait a minute. Are these new? I'm like floored right now. The pineapple, look at the strawberry. That is fire. And then the watermelon. Miss Girl, that's a lot of drink right there. Oh my goodness, these are so darn cute. Oh, this is cute. I feel like I don't remember seeing a car. Endless Summer is rocking. Feeling tropical. And then this one over here with all of that going on, all the summer good, right? Yes, on that. And then here's the green one over here. They are not playing getting us ready for the summer. Oh, this one is cute only because I'm loving the beads on it. Oh, those are, Miss Girl, that is fire. Summer vibes with the watermelon. I am not doing the watermelon theme outside this year. I'm switching it up to the bees. Darn, now I'm seeing all this watermelon. Yes, on all the patriotic. That's right, because, I mean, we're in May in a few days, right? And Memorial Day gonna be rocking. And then it's like through the summer. The chair covers, I don't remember these. Some table runners are up here. Ice cream sets are up here. They're super cute. Shots, right? Over here. Yeah, the napkins and things. That's fun. That's fire. The table runner. Look at that. That's different. I don't remember seeing these. This one right here. And then the white one. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. I think this is my fave. Oh, my goodness. They are not playing. Wow. Everything is rocking. The Nomies down here, I'm telling you, trying to get ready for the trip and all, I've been missing out on all of the good. I don't have this Nomie, I feel like. That is cute. And then the stars up here. Yeah, he looks, I don't know, Benjamin Franklin-y, I feel like. Like, I think of the Liberty Bell when I'm looking at him in the cart. Oh, nice. Look at the tabletops. USA. Let freedom ring. Oh, that's nice. They're nice and thick, too. Look at that. Look at this. What's this say? Refreshments. Yes, on that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, and this one right here. The truck. With the boom boom in the back. Yeah, I think I want these, too. In the cart. I think I want the Nomie, too. In the cart. I'm trying to look at the stuff like outside of what we're used to seeing. Foam wands, the curtain, right? Drink pouches. You better stop it on that. Look at that. In the curtain. And these right here too. All the stars are on them. Oh, some stripes and the stars too. I think I like this one better. I don't know, because of stars and stripes. I'm feeling this one. So yes, on that. Some poppers up here. Some thunder sticks. Oh, the girls would like these, I feel like. Especially Sis. She uses something similar in music therapy. Some garland, right? And things. Mini flags. Oh, nice. A windsock. All right. Oh, look at the ribbon down here rocking. Oh, I like this one right here. Isn't that different? Yeah. What's this down here? Oh, the mini flags. And then, you know, the mesh. Yes, Miss Girl. That's what I'm talking about. So that's nice. This one and USA. Yeah, just those two. Oh, look at the buckets. They got it going on in here. Oh, look at those back there. Oh, I need to grab. Hold on. I picked up 4. I just pulled these out. I didn't realize they light up. It's a tab under here. That makes them even cuter. That's kind of fire. So yes on that. And then they have the red, white, and the blue tumblers. They're fire. Bang, bang, boom, pow. Is up here. Hooray for the USA. Oh, my stars. Oh, what's this one say? I don't remember these either. Fun on the 4th. Oh, that one is fire. The headbands, the hearts and the stars, the champagne poppers, red, white, and blue, you know, silver, and then all of that. Good up there. Girl, my neck. The headbands, the scrunchies. Yeah, nice. I was checking all the good. I feel like we are on point, Miss Girl. No, we not. Look at the blueberry smoothie mask rocking. Blueberry smoothie mask, right? Blueberry extract helps. Girl, I had to slow it down. I couldn't say it. Mango smoothie, right? Your complexion, purify your skin. Oh, here's watermelon up here. The packaging is fire, right? And this is for your natural glow. I wonder if it's a 4th one. Let me see. I don't see it. But yes, the power serum. Oh no, I was gonna say this looks different. The gray, hold on. I think it's just different packaging. I feel like they say the same thing. 6 benefits, power serum, right? Because I was tripped up for a minute. I think they're the same thing, but let me scoot this. Miss Girl, look at this. I don't remember the 24 carats. The gold flake serum. So that's rocking, plump and smooth. Yeah, I remember the pearl. Do I remember the pearl? I don't even know now. Both of these might be new to me. I know this one definitely. And if they're in the same box, yes, on the hydro. If they're in the same box, then maybe I didn't see this. So pearl and 24 karat is rocking. Yes on that. All right, let me put all this back. Yeah, so the pearl one is hyaluronic acid. Yes. And then the gold flake serum. All right. Oh, salt, Miss Girl. I thought that said soft ass heels. Oh my goodness. Oil gel smoothing heel patch. Something is wrong with me, Miss Girl, because I'm hungry. My stomach growling. So yes, on a soft ass heel, right? So I'm gonna grab one for me, one for you on that. In the cart. I'm still looking at clips. So yes, on this one. Oh, that's nice. It's short in the front, but it's long in the back. I like that. In the cart. Let me see if it's any over here. That was the end cap. Oh, this one is cute. This pink one. How does that look on the back? Yeah, that's a little bit too small. Let me see. Oh, this is cute with the heart on it. In the cart. Yes. We are good to go. I think so. Oh, these are cute. Travel chimes. That one. And this one right here. Is that it? Yeah. Yes, on the Ultra. I feel like the last time I saw it, it was green. But yeah, Home Bright rocking. Oh, nice. Let me bring them down. They all the way up top. Summer vibes with the shades. Hello Sunshine. This one is pretty. They're color changing. Sweet Summer. And Let's Flamingo. Yes, on that. That's my fave. All right, so let me see what's rocking. Yes, on soft ass heel. That is funny. The clips, right? I got one for you, one for me on the heel. I got these 3 for you. I don't need any more masks. I got those for you. I got the gold for you, right? I got red, 2 white, and a blue. Yes, on the drink pouches, right? And I got these 3. I'll probably put them on a tray. And these will probably go on the bar. Yeah, you know, the one that I thrifted with the wheels. So yes. The flamingo is rocking. What else? Ow, and the strawberry bowl. Miss Girl, that's my fave in here. So yes, on that. All right, I am hungry. My stomach is growling so bad. I'll see you soon. Bye.